Oye, webale nnyo. Anti ekinjagaza aba Rose Form. Bw'ogula omufaliso osasula abamaze gutuusa. Ate ne bakukuleetera. Mami!
Wanje Kingi. King. Thank you. You're always from Gobangabia. Agora for them gonge ekitayigota wota. Ate kati ogunzija ko.
No sigugwo.
Bani.
Gwa queen wange agenda kunzalira mwana mulenzi.
Nange house girl bagamba batusula ko high density. Tukola bulungi emirimu.
High density mama. Ono katwala ogugwe gosana kufuna fit sleep guli ogwaba kungu otegeera ne wabakirira bulungi jo
nange mbanpolo city filis fit sleep
mpuliriza mama kuno mufaliso ndese kwa queen wange kunzalira mwana mulenzi wamahani twala yo mufaliso goli wa fit sleep goli wa deluxe.
For inquiries, visit our depots or contact us on +256 200 907 181 or email us at roykimsil@gmail.com or visit our website info@roykimsindustries.com. Rose Form, home of high quality mattresses.
You know what? Pretending to say. I can't do it, but now they come and say, parking at direct. It's the Jacoduka. What's the pretending and it's 0 day?
Okay.
The Jap pretending and it's 0 day.
Then you go.
Go where? Without even cleaning my car. I just back and go. And you start walking. You start using your foot. And I don't know what you're going to call her. Nganzibanta de stationary CPS because they are now communicating to me. Bagala ko business ba take care. E wali special. Okay.
Hey, ata afande mato ko kubya nyo bwezityo.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing.
Mato.
I'm my car sorry. You know, kali naye mboize kajanja kalabira moto. Kati bwe nagula yo na akola atya. Hey, look at the tire. Still good. Oh. Nze sagala kuvuga nyo motoka monfafa. Now, constable, let's pass behind. But by the way. Amanyisi ne motoka za msenyu zino. Asija kulubula motoka eno. Pakize nyo kuba.
Chitu first job.
Let me pack these ends.
Okay.
And you just standing.
Okay.
Come and direct me.
Okay,
You think parking a car is just a simple case?
Afande.
Can you park a car? Even in your village.
Afande bansonyu.
Bakusonyu nzeni katonda. Nzeni katonda. Wawe. Why did you come to this place, to this city? That's why sometimes I say kusomera muchala for that thing. Ela lingata soma. You don't use sense. Everything in book. You have to use your knowledge. What is a common sense? Most of the time. You just shake your head. You think when you shake your head, you get man of buying a car? Direct me. And if I knock, you also will say no who is. You just say, come, without even knowing whether there is something I will knock.
Enough.
Don't knock! If you're saying it's enough, don't, can't you only use words? Enough. Then, is it your car? Enough. That's a problem. Now see. You'd have told me, Afande again, what if I already go? I play the thunder.
Afande so se keberawo.
Tonyola Garcia. And I'm talking, you're talking. By the way, you don't know protocol. Now, hey, this one is expert. They can steal it. And when they steal it, no connection. You know, this one connects direct to CPS. Connect. Come and see. Pull it. Breathe and see. Pull it. Slowly. Where is the Samalam Samazi? Don't talk when I'm talking. Am I yes? Let's go. Guetama. But I'm coming for a reason. Now I want you to be serious.
Yeah.
No laughing, no what?
No smile.
And there is some way you talk your English, no smile. But see, which school did they attend?
Kamera Maido.
That's why sometimes I say, Oxomela Mchala for that scene. They're not gonna Oxomela Mchalo. Because of Angela Tasso. You have to work hard most of the time if you want something. But you just brag around, no money. For me from Koboko, when I was in Koboko, I would pass by the city. They said, that's Afande Chentongo. Everyone was like, even the kids would see me and say, Chentongo. Bang. And now they are crying even for me. They want me to go there, but I said, no. Let me nzeje enteleze chalomono. So can the peace with chalomono. Katate, because we have some other issues to work upon. Mazinga, one watch for, do you know this place called Fort Portal? Yeah, that place. Kati babacha sabanze ngendeke. Neme mutulaba tukola fena mu office, you think we are just like you. Never be redundant in life. Muike kola sente. Cause
sente utini nebakugira nebakukozesa kola kino kolongosachi
atenze anko wange alina abakazi babiri okati omu wa luzungu era oyo anti nono banyambye nnyo okunjigiriza ku luzungu kati ngena mbanguka
ogendo bangu
naye bachunga olina kumugwera nono banna
chokala moyo anko
okumwagala nze ndi mutola kuba mulaba ndi munene
abakazi babeera n'amagezi eri omusajja osobola okumwagala bonna n'oba mukyayisa kubanga wali okola yali alabanga okola baliga tebasobola kukola
ate atali bbaawo ate nga si bbaawo abali ate mubbe
ate kati omusajja w'omumwe
toyagala ove mukomera tovude mukomba bokisi
ojja kufuna owange
naye okimanyi kankubulire wanogera kubawo obanguse the University of Understanding basala kwerondalonda osobate bagiyita bweba kiwulira ogenda kuva wano ng'obanguse bino nebyo genda ngenda kukola bwawusigala tobuddamu oba obusente
mbukola ebweru ninye n'ennyonyi.
Hello, how are you? He is my friend. That man, by the time I arrested him. Hey, how are you ladies? Hey, Mazinga. Hey, thank you. Ebale kubana zibuto. Ebale kufuna. Hey, bara baja muzije. Yeah. Now look at this car, DMC. Yes, hello. How are you? DMC. You come down, we shall meet. Hey, bye. Yeah, they know me most of the times here. You know, when it happens, I stand for president. But I wouldn't like to join politics. But I'm talking, you know. This is Alawa. And when I'm simple, you don't even salute to your boss. Do you know why they brought me this sense? Do you think everyone gets this? Olozabulemba muweno pistol. Does it resemble the one you're holding? Oloza nsagala kumenye kangagu. I just use sense. Amanyo ba ina manyi manji. Eba na magezi matono. Neka rifanda ba ina magezi. Tukwesa manyi matono. That's why you'll be holding that gun. The big thing also. But it's the same job it does with this. Neka tibu kwa tibu chineni. That's why. Okay, nakadiwa ngaluwati. Cause ever, we're holding you know. Just sang God the works is sent on. But they can give you a boss Nataina at the same moment. Abole Kulaka, chicken.
Ani yakolako omulimu.
Noli nyenyonyi zesekereza ngoli nyenyonyi ngoli mukozi.
Ogirinya kwanganyira ne muganda wange babiri wenjoge kati ali Dubai. Yagirinya takyatwala buno musente mbu mitwale na mbu mitwale 5. Gwe kiki kyo akakadde. Akayo badolera sente meka.
Mbadde nkolera mitwalo 10.
Buliro ono 10. Okumi bakyazikolera.
Kati jukira sigula mmere, sigula ki ozikunzi kwata mukwasinga nsereka nga nsereka.
Kati okolera kulya. Okolera kulya. Kati gwe bala mwaka kadde omwezi sente meka omwaka.
Ye kati wana e Uganda emitwalo 10 zigenda kukolera ki? Eje emitwalo 10 yongerako emitwalo 4 oli ogende Dubai.
These tactics are from Sierra Leone, so you can't understand. I know your problem. No problem. Uber's here. Uber's here. Toina magezi kebereyo. Unabukode wa Sierra Leone. No. Mani, we didn't go to school much, but nila kola now.
Afande, 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 Afande. Afande, Afande,